Jalamango. We're here at Beanie Sports Bar in Ruskin, Florida. Estamos aquí en Beanie Sports Bar in Ruskin, Florida. And I have Jalamango wings. I can't wait to try these. So, esos son Jalamango alitas de pollo. These are good. Full of flavor, juicy, tasty, zesty, spicy, sweet. These are definitely finger licking good. A lot of meat on these. Very tasty, very flavorful. I suggest everyone to come down here to Beanie's. Grab your wings. They got so many flavors to choose from. This is that Jalamango wings, along with homemade chips, which are one of my favorite sides. Very, very good. It's almost time for football season. Just a couple more months to go. So don't forget, about the flavor. See you guys some more.